So the other day, me there, me yard, and me nah nothing to do, and me decide to watch Dora. I mean, me see my little sister watch Dora, and me decide to join. But after watching 5 minutes of Dora, me get to realize that me hate Dora. Like for real, me hate Dora. Now Dora look like about 5 years old. I don't know her age, but to me she look like about 5 years old. Me figure it out due to her dumb dress code of pink, yellow and orange. Where the fuck on earth does that match? When me did around 5 years old, my playtime did a right around the house till me drop asleep. Now tell me Dora, how comes you get figure Jurassic Park, forest, desert, sea, and next island? When your parents them the first major thing that piss me off about Dora is the fact that Dora have the guts to ask me to tell her when Swiper is coming. For real Dora, I would love to be a snitch, but unfortunately I live in Jamaica and they don't treat informers good here, so I'm sorry, I just can't accept that job. The next style of Dora have if it asks if it's something we laid out right in front of her, like she don't really need your help, but she just feels that she have to ask you to do something. Do you see a red house? Now the last thing I hate about Dora, when the cartoon finally done, I say yo, just waste 30 minutes of my life here man, time to move on to better days and something new. She go ask you the dumbest question. What was your favorite part? What pissed me off the most about this is that she don't even get a chance to answer. By the time I figure say my favorite part is, that's my favorite part too. But me never. If you have the same problem with Dora like what me have, then you need to thumbs up this video. If you have different problem, then comment your problem. And you can also share this video to somebody else who hate Dora. Yeah, that's how we pay if you share the video. That exactly the same. That's how we pay if you share the video.
She said she love me, whatever that hell no. Do me a favor, say that shit. Like bad kids, bitch, we reckless.